Hello everyone, my name is Stephanus Giovanni. I'm doing this video as my midterm test for my assignment on speaking for professional purposes with Mr. Ricky as my lecturer. This video is about how to build a digital repair company. Many things are great in life as in starting a job. Obviously, quick side note, this is not just a simulation. This is actually what I do in real life as a side job to support my family. I will tell that story side to side along with the presentation. This is my logo, as circular as the sun, with computer and laptop at its core. Underneath there, there's an ACM, short for Agora Computer and Miscellaneous. That's probably the picture of what's going to be my wondrous industries and ubiquitous company. And you can be on to the company, a digital focused repair company with the goals of repairing computer based technologies, ranging from traditional personal computers to laptops to smartphones and beyond. Offers the service of maintenance, software troubleshooting, repairing hardware, recover data, configure network, and do consultation and upgrades. That is in general what first you'll be doing. Find your motivation, find your goals. Maybe you play video games and wanted to get a GTA 6 that's coming. That's gonna cost you all kidney and limb, mate. Me personally, my family has recently got a financial crisis due to my family doing family stuff, like thing. I had to work no matter what, even though it's gonna mean sacrificing my time for campus and making my lecturer mad. That is still gonna be my solution. And I found a company. This is a simulation of making a company akin to climbing the staircase. What step that I will be imagine doing in the future? Just make sure not to fall though. The first step, found a company. Start off alone. Build up skill by watching experts do their work on social media sites and take notes. Once you have the basic technical expertise, it's a good idea to rack up some money to buy the tool. You only need a screwdriver, to start and experiment on your own device. After gaining confidence and knowing the fundamentals, such as the function of parts, the assembly, and the intuition of solving problems, you can start marketing your own company. Many people will have different background. Maybe you are exposed to computer-based technologies as a kid, or you're a boomer who doesn't know anything. If your phone is always at full volume and full brightness, then you're a certified boomer. My father is also a digital repairman. I'm just following his dream and his footsteps. He gave me the knowledge and exposure to learn to repair computers. If you don't have a father like me, maybe you want to buy milk or something, YouTube got you covered. You've got the world's knowledge on your fingertips, for God's sake. Use it. Use the internet. The second step is the hardest aspect of this job, branding. Unlike other jobs who's saying there's no bad publicity, only good ones, this job needs you to only have good one with none of the bad. This step is the most important one, where you have to build up everything from the ground up. The second step, build the brand. Strategize are the concept of your company. What's your vision? What's your branding? Who is your market target? Make the system of work and your schedules. Decide the way you do things. Be professional at it. Make your logo and social media. Make an account or a lot of them. Or do it the old way and spread the brand from word of mouth. Post stuff on your social media to your preferred target audience so that the algorithm picks it up. Gather influence and reconnection to reach out to many potential customers. From here on out, your journey have just begun. I've skipped this step essentially. All I did was integrate my father's loyal consumers to mine. His work about discipline and professionalism, putting the emphasis on to get the consumers loyalty and never do dirty tactics. He gave his job to me because he has seen me working and trusted me, which gave me pride. I mean, what kind of Asian parent would do that? Others may have tasted the belt, I have not. He's also pretty far from his consumers. He's in a different city. This job doesn't require you to be young, but traveling to a city does. He passed his dream to me now. This slide is about the work and the consumer engagement. Doing the work is easy, but other business could essentially do the same. What makes you so different? The third step, do the work. After obtaining a consumer, they will try to reach out on you. Depending on your business strategy, You may have the price down, or you just had to do work faster with your consumer loyalty. There may be some stuff that is hard for you and out of your expertise. Be professional at what you do. You can decline the job. The last thing you want here is to disappoint your consumer. This is the line of job that are built with markets, trust, and prestige. Do not let your brand have a bad reputation. Technical skills and soft skills are a necessity here. It depends on your personality when it comes to these aspects. Building the discipline is elementary, implementing it is the challenge. Not only you have to be skillful and mostly understand most of the aspect of repairing, you have to be charming and professional to the consumer. Get them on your side, treat them well, and they may do the same to you. You've come to the plateau. You may have stuck at the last step before this one. This is the longest step you will work on. The fourth step, expansions. This is the hardest step of them all. Depending on what you do, luck, and other random variables, you may reach this step. If your branding just a little bit tad of good enough, there's a time where the influx of consumer will be too great for you to handle. It's time to get an employee. After a successful marketing campaign, you may have the power to get an applicant to help you work. Get them and expand the company. This way, your workforce will be doubled and you get the ability to branch out the company, maybe to other specialties or market. I got a partner instead of employee. We split the income that we got. His name is Axel, the one with the mark on his neck, who's a bass player. He's the one that helped me during my most troubled time of financial crisis by helping me and joining me as a partner in his job. He's a good guy. I owe a lot to him as a friend. It's not so often that you got such a good friend. And no, it's not a bromance. He also have the same expertise as mine of repairing PC. He does the transporting and acquisition of parts. This is the boss stage. It's the final step. If you have reached here, then it's the end. It's a major success. You likely will be having an heir, and you'll probably be dead in a short time. The fifth stage, dynasties and franchises. At this point onward is the unfathomable, the journey to the wild forest, the dream, and success. All from here is where I necessarily have to stop dreaming. This is the success. The only thing to do here is to maintain the company you got, wayward until the end of time, where right now, the technologies is honestly at infancy. You may not survive way there or may have a billion franchises in the world. The world in the future will be so different. Be open-minded and survive. Don't be too conservative as to not change anything as you are in the line of work with the most things changing. Don't be too liberal either as to not change everything because you are probably the most well-known and prestigious digital repair mega corporate out there. It's a balancing act out here. That's all, folks. If you have made it here, thank you so much for watching. I had fun making this video and I want to apologize for any mistakes that I did. And if some of the jokes are inappropriate, I hope you can take something out here and apply it out there. Oh, you still here? I mean, I got some bonus if you're still interested. This is all about what you probably will actually doing as a hard skill. These are the requirements for the job. Technical aspects, hardware configuration. Mostly by knowing what part function is, you can diagnose what has really broken. The easiest and safest way is to replace it or do some soldering, which is a lot more profitable but quite hard. Other times, do some upgrade and assembling a part on an entire device, like a PC, or replacing stuff, mostly. Software works. Installing stuff, why this app don't work? Or doing more advanced stuff like configuring BIOS, doing ROM, OS repairs, managing and backup data, and many more. Maintenance and troubleshoot. Dust. Yes, dust. They're gross and harmful. Here's the device's worst enemy. Most devices broke due to heat. Thus, maintaining a device, like cleaning and stuff here, is done here. And before doing software and hardware things, you mostly do troubleshoot. What has broken, what went wrong, and theorize out of it. Do your theory, then actually do the work.